Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here to Group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. I know that I am. And guys, today's the day we're gonna start seeing what Fed Chair Powell is going to do and his decision. What the Fed decision is going to be today at 2 p.m., guys. So less than an hour. So, guys, what we're going to do, we are going to get set up and get ready to go, baby. Today we'll discuss, man. Some people are saying, hey, you got 50 basis points. People say, hey, maybe we can go up 100 basis points. Me personally, I think you're going to go up 50 basis points. I think he'll probably go up another 50 basis points next month and do it slowly but surely. Also, we'll talk about the Tether FUD, man. It's a lot of Tether FUD. We'll talk about Celsius. You know, how all this stuff is coming all coming out, but Tether denied the rumors. And we all know, man, Tether. I've been hearing rumors about Tether since I got in the crypto space, so I believe it when I see it. So, but yeah, guys. And man, we're gonna take a look back because a lot of people are saying, "Hey, man, crypto is, this is the worst it's ever been," and blah 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 blah. And we're gonna take a look back and show you that this is not the worst it has ever been. And if it had been worse, few more times more than this, you know what I mean? So we're about to get started, guys, and we're gonna do a Q&A at the end. We're not gonna make it too long today, guys, because my mouse is actually just about to die soon, so I don't want to get stuck on a live when my mouse dead. All right, but yeah, guys, so we're gonna get started, man. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and also look below, guys, and follow us on all different social medias. So, man, today, man, we're looking at Bitcoin. Saying Bitcoin at $20,680, down over 31% for the week, guys. So we're gonna see right now. You keep breaking that the lower, and we're getting lower. So we got out of that box. We way below the box, as you guys can see right here. You guys already know we're about 27% lower than the box. You know what I mean? Than the breakout point. So, a 27% move for Bitcoin is huge. So right now we're in no man's land. But, man, I want to take you guys back, man. We're going to look at it and see with Bitcoin. Oh, this is weird. What's going on today? So you guys can see right here with Bitcoin. Man, back in 2011, you guys see right here, we had from the range from August 2011 to all the way down to October 2011. Guys, you see right here, Bitcoin did an 81% move, all right? We're in about a 70% move right now. So Bitcoin did a, let's see right now, what move we in right now? Let's go back to the 1 week chart. Because people are saying, oh, this is the worst it's ever been, and blah, blah, blah. We had never seen this before. And for the new people just coming in, they thinking, oh, man, I got in the wrong thing. And I'm going to show you why. You know what I mean? That's not right. So we're about 70% drop right now so far. So right here, we had an 81%. So Bitcoin first biggest drop was 81%. So Bitcoin first biggest drop ever, guys, was bigger than this. And this is when Bitcoin was went from $11.79 to about $1.90. So I'm gonna ask you guys a question. You think Bitcoin couldn't be crushed at $1.50 or $1.89? Then it's 20,000 now. What do you guys think? So this 81% right here, guys. Then we come over here and we see Bitcoin dropped over 74.82%. This was from looking at here from April of 2013 over to July of 2013. So a bigger drop. So Bitcoin first two biggest drops ever is actually bigger than what it is right now. So we scroll over here, guys. And we're seeing Bitcoin drops here. Another big drop here with Bitcoin dropped over 86.84%. And you guys see right here from November 2013 all the way to all the way to January 2015. So this was a long, steady drop right here, and that's an 86% drop. So the first three drops is bigger than the one is right now. So everybody's saying this is the one we're in right now is the biggest one. Oh my God, it's all over. The first three was bigger than this. And this is when Bitcoin dropped down to about $152. So if Bitcoin couldn't be crushed at $1.89, it's not crushed at $152. What do you think right now at 20,000? So let's go to the first three biggest drops is bigger than the one right now, but we're in the worst ever. This is the worst ever, though, guys. All right, this is the worst ever. But the first three is bigger, and it was way lower. It wasn't even $200. The first one wasn't even $5 when it dropped all the way down there. We're going to the third. The fourth. 84.13%. This was from December. This is a year-long drop. December 2017. I'm sorry. Let me get this drop right here. Yeah, from December 2017, with Bitcoin drop all the way to December 2018. And this drop right here, guys, it was a boom, big drop at the beginning, pushed back up. Everybody was hopeful. Then it got you again. All right, kind of similar to what happened this time around. So you guys see right here, 84.13% drop, year-long drop right here. And guys, as you can see right here, we in this drop from June 2019. This was a 72.31% drop right here from June 2019 all the way to March of 2020, which you see with when we had the Rona. So and you see it pushed all the way down to 38. So Bitcoin drops, all the drops has been bigger that I'm showing you guys than right now, but you're hearing, and then right now we got our drop at 71.26, and just last year we had a we had a ton of 50% drops. But I just wanted to show in context, guys, when people are saying, oh my God, this is the biggest one, it's all over. I want you to think about Bitcoin first biggest drop was bigger than this, and it dropped down to $1.89. So I want you guys to think about that. If it wasn't crushed at $1.89, which is your average Joe using it and just trying it and testing it out, it wasn't crushed when it went to about $40, $50, then it went to $150. If it wasn't crushed all these different times, guys, what do you think at $20,000? All right, when you got PayPal, Square, everybody using. I just was at the Bitcoin conference. We're going to the NFT conference next week. The consensus was just earlier last week, should I say. Guys, the amount of money institutions inside here that's being pushed around, this industry is not going to fall. It's a global industry, guys, all right? And that's just the American conferences, not counting all the other conferences inside Dubai. You go to Dubai, oh my God. I had to go to Dubai because I'm hearing so much about it, what's going on over there. If you're American, you got to get out of this American mindset, all right? But man, let's jump over here. So we see right here, it said 75 basis points. It said U.S. Federal Reserve is expected to raise the federal funds rate during this next meeting on Wednesday. And J.P. Morgan economist Michael Fulleri believes that the rise in inflation, which the CPI numbers came out Friday, will push the Fed to increase the rate to 75 basis points. Last week, CME Group data indicated the market price in at 95%. Chance the U.S. will see a 50 basis point rate hike this month, although while some expect a hawkish Fed, some believe U.S. central bank may act dovish and markets gets worse. So it says major U.S. stock indexes and cryptocurrency markets dropped significantly on Monday, as the day was considered one of the bloodiest starts to the week in a long time. CNBC's Scott Schnipper said on Monday that the S&P 500 is now in the official bear market, according to S&P Dow Jones. Yep, because anytime it dropped below 20% from all-time high, it's official bear market, guys. So it says moderate increases can be between 25 to 50 basis points. The Fed can go as high as 75 to 100 basis points during the next meeting, and some are predicting 75 basis points is in the cards. Last week, CME Group data has shown a market price 95% chance. So I think you're gonna go 50%. Just Goldman Sachs economists predict 75 basis point. So it says we anticipate 2 more rate increases in 2023 to 3.75 to 4%, followed by 1 cut in 2024. And the Fed, what they're gonna do? They'll keep pushing until something breaks and things collapse, and that's when you'll see start doing the game get played again. They'll start bailing everybody out and doing everything again. So you guys gonna see that as well with the Feds. So me personally, I think it's at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys, today, guys. So less than an hour from now, you're gonna be glued to your TV. you'll see the market take a move. So all my traders out there, just, market in, market out. Don't try to be too slick. Market in, market out, guys. When you do your trades. So it said Tether denies claims of Asian commercial paper banking exposure. We hear a lot of news, a lot of talk about Tether, guys. So it said Tether describes certain rumors spreading to this effect as completely false and likely spread to induce further panic. Says stablecoin issuer Tether denied that its commercial paper portfolio is 85% backed by Chinese or Asian commercial paper. Tether describes certain rumors spreading to its effect as completely false and likely spread to induce further panic in order to generate additional profits from the already stressed market in an announcement Wednesday. So it says issue USDT, the world's most widely used stablecoin, added that Celsius position had been liquidated following the crypto's lenders freezing to account withdrawals Monday in response to the sharp downturn across the cryptocurrency market. Tether also denied rumors that it was lending exposure to Three Arrows Capital, the crypto hedge fund that was one of the biggest investors in the Terra blockchain. The fund now faces possible insolvency after incurring $400 million in liquidation, guys, according to the report. Then the composition of USDT reserves has long since been an area of concern in the crypto market, with questions specifically surrounding the nebulous commercial paper and its latest attestation of its deposits as in March, Tether reported. So again, this goes back the end of March, because Tether does a quarter report. Tether has been audited over and over and over again by different countries, different attorney generals. So it says Tether reported that $20.1 billion of his holdings were in commercial paper, down from $30.8 billion in June last year. So Tether's chief technology officer added via Twitter that the figure will be reduced further to $8.4 billion by the end of this month. So Tether is looking to get more and more out of commercial paper. They're getting more and more into bonds and more into being backed fully by the dollar. So it's totally different from, a lot of people keep putting UST with Tether or USD or USDC. Those stable coins, totally different. These are UST was algorithmic. I always have a problem with that word. Algorithmic stable coin. So there's a lot of things went into that, trying to be pegged to the dollar and using Terra. They sell Terra and mint more Terra to sell it to, try to get with try to make it peg, keep the peg going with UST versus just actually Tether and USDC. They are backed by real money and real assets. All right, that they can actually sell off and then have the money there, not minting. That's the difference. And they tried during that time with when UST was and UST and Terra was just dumping. They was trying to push Tether and USDC off his peg, but Tether came back and was like, "Oh, there you go, back on the peg. What you talking about?" You know what I mean? So, like I said, I've been in this space, for years. So I've been hearing Tether, FUD, Tether going down this time. I believe when I see it, it's just like Floyd Mayweather. Everybody said, this is the guy that's going to beat him. I'm telling you right now, this and that. At the end of the day, Floyd Mayweather standing there with his hand raised, another belt, and there you go. Everybody hates it, but they all still sit back and watch the fights. They all sit back and use it and look at it. All right, so that's what Tether is. Tether is the one that everybody love to hate and hate to love. All right, and that's just how it goes. You can't move around too much in this space unless you have Bitcoin or Tether. I'm just letting you know right now, because a lot of these exchanges uses it. So, but yeah, man, we're gonna do a Q&A real quick, and we're gonna get up off of here and get it going. So, yeah, Dig Cat Bounce. What's up, everybody out there? Shout out to everybody that's in the chat right now. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit that like button. Like right now. Yeah, post your questions in the chat, guys. We'll get it going. Get you started and get some water while you guys post your questions in the chat. Yeah, man, people, 2 o'clock. Market in, market out. Don't be too greedy, guys. You will get caught up if you do. So don't be too greedy. in the markets today, guys. I'm telling you right now. So it's gonna pump or it's gonna dump at 2 p.m. when that rate decision is made. Mark it in, get your money, and get out. Have your number in. Hey, I want 3-4%. If you're leverage trading, you got your your leverage, whatever you want. 3-4%. Or just sit right there and mark it in, mark it out. As soon as you see a turn, as soon as start turning another direction, you get out of it because it can push one way and start going back the other. I'm telling you, I've been in it. I've seen it. Yeah, I think everything. I don't think nobody can really call a bottoms for anything right now. We just gotta, you accumulate during this time. You dollar cost average, so the coin that you actually like, you dollar cost average. You buy them in. You buy those coins. Anybody that know me knows that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB, and ADA is my coins. I love One. I love Dot as well. Polkadot. So these are coins at Harmony One, Polkadot. I love those coins. Avalanche. So I'm accumulate those coins. During this bear market. I've been in them. So I know at the end of the day, with all this stuff here, what happens? I know it pushes back up. And look what happened. Just imagine, everybody was scared during this time. It felt just like this during COVID. It was actually worse during COVID because you didn't know what was going on. They were shutting the world down during COVID. Right now, we just know it's a money problem. During COVID, and the Fed's going to keep pushing, break it, and then they're going to fix it. You know what I mean? They start pushing money back in. Then once they push money back in, that's when everything goes start pushing up. But they're going to keep going lower and lower. You got quantitative tightening, right? That started June 1st. And then after 3 months, they're going to double it to September. You're going to look forward to start getting even tighter. You know what I mean? So, you just got to look at it, but you got dollar cost average. You're not going to find the best bottoms. I'm letting you know right now. Anybody telling you, this is the bottom. Nobody knows the bottom until when the Fed start pumping money back into the market. And you're like, okay, cool. Yeah, it's real easy now because they pump money back into the market. So, just dollar cost average. Cause just look at it in time. Look at that down here. When Bitcoin bottomed out down here back in December 2018. Bottom down here to about $3,000. You know what I mean? And just it was tough during those times. It was tough being in the market during those times. You know what I'm saying? And look at this. This is like nothing, right? But this is one of the biggest drops ever in crypto, and this is like nothing compared to this. And then this looks like nothing compared to this. So just imagine. So you got to sit back and you got to look at it and say, okay, cool. Like this looks like nothing. This is the 2017 bull run right here. That looked like a baby compared to this. It's like nothing. You see what I'm saying? So you got to look at it and be like, all right, cool. You know what I mean? And this drop here is bigger than the 2017 drop. And this is like nothing, like an ant. So you got to look at it and say, okay, cool. Who cares? Who cares if I bought Ethereum down here when it was down here in May of 2018? Who cares if I bought Ethereum or Bitcoin in February 2014? Who cares if I still got it up here? If I got it up here, you're still good if you bought it down here, even if right now. So you got to look at it like that, guys. It's a long game. It's like what is going to be in 2025, and that's how you look at it. You know what I mean? How my the coins that I'm buying right now, what's going to be in 2025? Do you see other cryptos like AVAX pushing? Yep. What's the plan for today, FOMC? Yep, my plan is I'm going to market in and market out. That's my plan for FOMC. So when the market comes in, it's a real risky lottery play, but it's been working for me. Market in and I market out. What I think about the NFT domains, I really don't. I think NFTs right now, NFTs is hard. It's not. You can't get out. Look, it's not liquid. It's not liquid enough. You know what I mean? You can't really get out NFTs. The domains, all that stuff. I mean, they come out with different. .crypto, .eth, .avax, .blockchain. I mean, it's gonna keep going longer. So anybody like, I got Coca-Cola .eth, and then they got Coca-Cola .blockchain. I think they'll keep pushing and pushing. It's a money grab, you ask me. You know what I mean? What you gonna do with it? Cause they can come out with another one. So, you know what I mean? So what you gonna do? They'll come out with another one, dot blockchain, dot AVAX, dot ETH, dot whatever, Uniswap, whatever they want to do. So I think it's a money grab. I would do it. I would just keep doing it. People gonna keep paying. People pay me $100, $200 for it, or 40, $50 for it, and I can just keep. I just put a name, dot blockchain, dot this, dot that. Sure, it's a .com bubble all over again. Um, what's the bottom for Eve? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know the bottom for Eve. What's the plan for today? Yep. Will the market rise or tank after the news? I'm not sure. I think if you go 75%, 75 basis points, it's going to definitely dump. If you do like 25 basis points, then I think the market could pump like crazy. If you do 25 basis points, I think the market can pump. Like I think it's going to go crazy. You know what I mean? But we're going to make money either way, so it doesn't matter. We're going to make money if it goes up or down. Obviously, we want the crypto market to go up, but it's more hurt got to happen. I'm letting you know right now. More hurt got to happen. And, 20,000 to test. I said about 19.5 really. See, Harmony 1. Yep, Harmony 1. I love it. I'm in coins I can stake. So I'm buying them, accumulating them, staking them. You know what I mean? Put them in your wallet, stake them, and let them earn while I sit there and keep dollar cost average of buying them. 21.4 breaks, 25K coming. Yeah, we'll see. Well, hopefully, you look at a percentage, not how it looks. 2017 run was way more percentage gain than 2020, 2021. Yep. NFT tax harvests, you have some losses that are never coming back. Yeah. You wash trade. Just watch. You can wash trade it. Yeah, and NFTs is like it's so many NFTs. I mean, look at Cool Cats. Cool Cats was crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of them out there. So you can take it, take your losses, and then just you know what I mean, just report it to Uncle Sam. Say, hey man, look, I ain't make no money last year. You can tell nobody made money last year. 2022 tax return, everybody gonna be going to Uncle Sam like, yo, you owe me money. Uncle Sam might gonna be like, hey. Uncle Sam might need a loan. So what's a micro cap, market micro cap you like for a big come up? I'm not mess. Don't mess with any. Don't. This is not the market to play those games. To look for those coins and 200 real low market caps. This is not the time because these people, developers, walking away from projects right now. And we still got a time. We still, as you guys can see right here, we have time of hurt. You have a long time of hurt. You see what I'm saying? So imagine on a project for this long, from June 2019 to March 2020, and you're not making no money, and the coins you're getting paid in ain't doing anything. Developers walking away from projects right now. So you want to actually be in projects that's really got some backing behind them, really got money behind them. So you want to stay within the top 20 coins, I would say, to be safe. Right now is not the time to try to strike it big. It's to accumulate the projects that's really good. So guess what? You bought it down here, and now it's all the way up here. You sitting back pretty. You chilling. That's why you see most people have been in crypto for a while. If you go on Clubhouse or Twitter Spaces, you see these guys just joking around. Even people, even me and different people I know have been in space. Right now you don't see what we're not worried because we know what's happening. We know what's going on. We know it's gonna get fixed. So it's like you just time. You know what I mean? You gotta wait your turn. I've been telling people that over and over again during the last bull market. You just gotta wait your turn. You wait your turn, you'll be fine. But you gotta accumulate those projects. You know what I mean? But if you got bills to pay, then yeah, you got sell them projects. You gotta pay your bills. You know what I'm saying? But if you got the money, if you know what I mean, you working, you doing this, doing that, or you got the bread, let's accumulate those projects. And me, the project I really like, I like coin to stake. So Cardano, I can stake my Cardano, Avalanche. You know what I mean? So those different projects I like. Harmony 1. So we're gonna start working. You know what I mean? And then see if you can try to accumulate to where you can get validators. You know what I mean? And now you're a validator, and now you making money off of other people. Delegating to your validators. So, and that's how you do it. So it says, let's see right here, ETH target 750. Yeah, I mean, hopefully you do. I got a lot of stable coins sitting on the sideline. waiting for that. 10% of your portfolio should be in stable coins. 10% of your portfolio should be in stable coins because you won't be able to buy during the different time. Have your targets. You know what I mean? You're not going to find a perfect bottoms, not going to find a perfect tops. Doesn't matter. Do I care? If I bought down here, over here, do I care if I sold over here? Do I care? I don't have to sell at the top. Everybody keep telling you they sold at the top, they're lying. I'm telling you right now, they're lying to you. Tell them send me screenshots. They did. Oh boy. We got some bots in here. Also, guys, a lot of people is getting scammed. So it's a lot of fake Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, there's a lot of fakes out there. So guys, don't get. If it's not me, I would never direct message you guys. Never, ever, ever, ever direct message you. So just make sure you don't message those people back. I reported to Instagram already, and they pretty much told me, it's not a concern, and we'll see how it goes. So if something happens, guys, to you, and I already reported them to Instagram, and you lose some money, see if you can sue Instagram, Facebook, because I already reported them. Other people report them. They pretty much said no concern. So if somebody gets scammed out of it, you know what I mean, I would send a suit to them. I put it like that. So any word, I'm looking for that too. Makes sense. Let it dump. Been out since 63K. Good job. You've been out since 63K. Good job. But get into the projects you really like, because this is the time. I'm telling you right now. Waiting for ETH. Yeah, we got spammers in the chat. Yep. Chuck, let get a wrench so I can monitor the chat. Yeah. I'm actually gonna start doing that too. Yeah. But we'll see. ETH drops that low. Yeah, Celsius. Yeah. I was in Celsius, and it's crazy. I took the rest of my money out of Celsius. I've been hearing rumors about it, and plus you just know about liquidity, money coming out. So you want to get out of those assets that people is more riskier assets. So I got out of Celsius, and I've been getting out of it because cause I'm in Jersey, so they started changing a lot of stuff over in Jersey as well. And I couldn't swap anymore, anything like that with Celsius. So I'm like, I'm gonna be out of it. So I took the rest of my money out. Actually, January 6th, I took the rest. On June 6th, I'm sorry, I took the rest of my money out. It was only like maybe a few $100s though that I had left in there. I'm like, I'm just get out of it. So I can't do nothing with it. I can't swap it. I'm not really earning nothing from it. So like, let me just take everything out, and that's what I did. I took the rest of it out June 6th, but I seen, but I was taking stuff out the last few months. I was just taking it out. But yeah, I wasn't Celsius. I actually really like Celsius. We'll see how it work out. You know what I mean? But this is the market. This is the time when things get tough. That's when you start seeing what breaks, and a lot of things gonna break. And when things start getting bailed out and money start getting pushed back in, and things are starting to get fixed, that's when okay, really, that's when we about to start taking off again. So, and that's what I would tell anybody that's looking at me right now. Wait for things to break. When it completely breaks, then they start bailing people out and all that other stuff. Then there you go. Yeah, Jersey City, baby, let's go. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, don't fall for that. This stuff here. Let's try to get this person out of here. Let's get this person out of here. There you go. See you later. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this right here. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And also, if you guys are not trading or want to learn how to trade or learn the right projects and learn how not to make the mistakes that a lot of people are making, and really take advantage of the opportunities, guys, make sure you guys look at the description box below. Join us inside DCG, guys, DCG Elite. And you guys be able to have a report and everything, so you'll be able to see exactly what's going on in the markets, and then you're able to actually take advantage of the opportunities. The problem is a lot of people are not going to take advantage of the opportunities, and it's right here. And I think this is going to be the last bull market where the average Joe, the last bear market, the average Joe going to be able to really take advantage and get inside projects. I think the next time around, it's going to be the big projects. That's really going to be real big countries and institutions that's gonna really take over. And I mean, I don't like it. You know what I mean? I'm in crypto, so they won't be here. But I think they're gonna really come in. The country's gonna come in and adopt it. They're gonna throw a lot of big money into, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You're gonna start seeing like the ETH2s, the ETH2s. You gonna start seeing the Bitcoin country just adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, and they're gonna be buying it, putting on their balance sheet, states as well. And then what they're gonna do in company, large institutions, the pensions, everything, and then they're gonna start adopting it. They're gonna buy it up, and then it's gonna be hard, man, to get any good Bitcoin, a good amount of Bitcoin. So I think this bear market, take advantage of it, because you're gonna start seeing it being hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's nothing. It's nothing for Bitcoin to 10x. You know what I mean? So you're gonna start seeing the hundreds of thousands of dollars, and people gonna be like, man, I wish I would have bought at 20,000. But I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. This your guy Crypto Chuck, here to group Crypto Black. You guys make sure you guys take your session, chill. We out of here, baby. Peace.